And that is why IMS Messsysteme GmbH has been renowned for almost 40 years. Today, around 450 employees develop and produce high-precision measuring systems for the metal industry. Innovation, precision, reliability and quality made in Germany have made IMS a global market leader in measuring technology. Our head office is located in Heiligenhaus in the heart of Germany. Our subsidiaries in the USA, China, India, South Korea, Russia, Turkey, Poland, Mexico, Brazil and the United Arab Emirates, along with our many representative offices around the world, ensure that we remain close to our customers. Whether for cold strip, hot strip or tube measurement, our systems enjoy an excellent reputation around the world for their precision, reliability and longevity. But despite our global presence, our commitment to our home base in Heiligenhaus remains an important cornerstone of our success. In the ultra-modern buildings of our company site, covering over 40,000 square meters, we use environmentally friendly technologies to develop and produce ultra-sensitive isotope, X-ray and optical measuring systems that set standards in the field of measurement technology. In order to ensure that we maintain this level in future, we are not simply moving with the times, but thinking a few steps ahead. One example of our forward-thinking approach was the plan in July 2018 to construct an innovative new manufacturing building. This future-oriented strategic decision will help us take advantage of the high potential of the market and consolidate our head office in Heiligenhaus. In October 2018, the earth and foundation works got underway. The shell of the building was finished in April 2019. The entire building was completed just 4 months later. It was equipped with its own heating installation and power supply, with a photovoltaic system producing 100,000 kilowatt-hours of electricity per year. With an area of 1,720 square meters, production space of 3,440 square meters over 2 floors, and ultra-modern production facilities, this project represents a milestone in the history of IMS. All the individual components for IMS Röntgensysteme GmbH will be manufactured here in future. Examples of these components include mechanical parts and mechatronic assemblies for force measurement, detectors, digitally adjustable amplifiers for plug-in radiation detectors, high-resolution camera cluster measuring systems, line lasers with Peltier cooling systems for extreme temperatures, ellipsometry measuring systems for non-metallic coatings, radar measuring systems for control of foodstuffs, and X-ray generators. Thanks to a fully automated high bay warehouse and a driverless transport system, we can offer our customers improved material management and shorter production times. With the new production building, we have taken another big step towards optimally positioning ourselves for the future.